Hi guys, this is Patrick Añete of NoyPGeeks.com. You've known OPPO for their smartphones, but what you may not know is they actually became popular as a producer of Blu-ray players back in the day. Recently, the company launched the OPPO Enco Q1 wireless earphones alongside the release of the OPPO Reno 2 in the Philippines. We actually have more details about that smartphone in the top right corner that you can check out. With this latest product, OPPO wants everyone to know that they're more than just a smartphone manufacturer. And today we're checking out this device to see what more OPPO has in store for us. The Enco Q1's highlight feature is its hybrid active noise cancellation feature. The earphones have two microphones on each buds that enables this feature. These are feedback and feed-forward microphones, which analyzes the ambient noise around you and inside your ears. It then sends the data to a dedicated digital noise cancellation chip for the noise cancellation to work. There's still some noise coming in since it's not completely sealed like over-ear headphones, but you can definitely notice the difference when you turn it off or on. You can single press the mode button on the sides to enable the active noise cancellation. There's actually a voice prompt that will notify you if the feature is on or off. You can also double press this button to circle through different sound modes. The music mode is set on default, while gaming mode and cinema modes are also available. I'm personally interested with the cinema mode, which mimics a surround 3D audio, which is great for watching movies or TV shows. It offers a wide sound stage that feels like you're really watching a movie in a real multi-speaker surround system. Lastly, we have the game mode, which is great for shooting games like PUBG Mobile or the new Call of Duty Mobile. It gives emphasis to every footsteps and gunfire sounds that almost gives you an unfair advantage. The OPPO Enco Q1 features a large 11.8mm dynamic drivers that offers clean and full sound. The treble sounds nice, the bass is thumping but not exaggerated, although the mids are muddy at times. It is great for listening to pop, party, or bass-heavy music, while also managing to offer clean output when listening to jazz or rock music. It may not appeal the audiophiles out there, but the sound it offers is really appealing to the ears that will definitely attract a lot of people out there. Now let's head into the device's build. As you can see, the Enco Q1 has a neckband design. It is built on a flexible titanium alloy thread, so you can easily throw it in your bag without having to worry that it will break easily, unlike those other neckband headphones with hard plastic designs. However, I still wish that OPPO included a small carrying case on this one. On the left side, we have the metallic power button with OPPO green accent on the back. The rubber material of the entire body extends to the volume controls and the mode button, which I have to say feels a little stiff to press. Below the buttons is the USB Type-C port for charging. It is protected by a flap that enables its IPX4 water protection. It can withstand some minor or accidental water splashes, or while you sweat it out in the gym. The Enco Q1 has Bluetooth 5.0, so it can connect easily on your device and stay connected with no sudden signal drops and whatnot. Battery is also great on this thing. As per OPPO, it can last for up to 15 hours with the noise cancellation feature on, and 22 hours with the feature off. If you're a casual user who will only be using the device for your daily commute, you'd only be charging this device for about once or twice a week. The OPPO Enco Q1 really has a space in the saturated mid-range wireless earphone market. Besides its clean sound and good connectivity features, its impressive hybrid active noise cancellation feature is a rare find in this category. There are surely other more affordable alternatives out there, but you can almost never see a pair of cans that has this good noise cancellation for a price of 4,990 pesos. Again, this is Patrick Añete from NoyPGeeks.com. For more detailed look at the OPPO Enco Q1, you can check out our full written review link below. You might also hit the thumbs up button, share this video if you liked it, subscribe if you still haven't, hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a video, Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And yeah, thank you for watching.